Y'all know what we doing here today, right? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're gonna review in 4K the Nike SB Supreme Dunk Low 2025. I think I got all that right. And I'm not gonna lie, guys. It was a weird drop, man. Over I think 4 or 5 pairs of sneakers. So many different countries. You had to be here to get these. You had to be here to get these. Look, man, I opened the Supreme website like I always do, and whatever was there, I tried to get. Of course, I put the blue ones in the cart first because those are so pretty, man. Even though blue Nike SBs, I have a lot. I just love that color. I waited. Sold out. Went to another window, put the black ones in the cart. Same thing. So we had to go with the white metallic joints, which I'm not mad at. The white metallic joints with the reflective is somewhat the most. They made the most of these. These dropped everywhere, and it's actually like the center stage because these ones were supposed to mint versatility. But they were the easy cop. They still dope though. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir, man. Clean. Not suede like I wanted the suede one, guys. I can't overstep that. But this is clean white leather, man. Y'all know when it comes to Supreme and Nike SBs, I get them all. The Ramalzi joints, probably my favorite. Those what I was looking for in the beginning of the video when I was turned. They must be on this side of the room. But those are dope. One of my favorites. The any means necessary, to any means joints. I had the Brazil joints. I got rid of them. But I did keep the blue and red pair. Those are over there. But they high top. I rarely rock the high top dunks. But I do keep them if they dope. But yeah, man, these got the reflective swoosh, leather, a lot of Supreme logos, man. We don't do too much long talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So I don't know if these are part of the I don't know if every SB came in this colorway. Maybe the purple ones come in a purple box. But it makes sense for the white reflective ones to come in a white and silver box. It just makes sense. Even though this is a standard Nike SB Dunk box. So it reads Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS white metallic silver white. When you flip open the lid, you do get Nike SB in Supreme tissue, which is dope, but we seen it before. Like, I seen this so many times. I done had Supreme Whirlwinds, Gattos, a lot of them, man. It did come with a Supreme sticker, and now it does come with a Nike SB sticker too. And let's get into it. Here's a 360 view of the right side, the Nike Supreme Dunk Low 2025 in that white and reflective colorway. It's clean, guys. It's clean. They didn't stimp on the leather. The leather is dope. This is tumbled leather, good leather, man. Let me start with some hidden details. Right there in the mid, you can see the Supreme box logo there. I think they should have made it red, guys. But it's super dope look. That's on the inside and the outside, guys. The toe box, I want y'all to see this material, man. Got a lot of bounce back to it, man. Reminds you of an Air Force One because of the all-white look. But this leather's clean, guys. Let's get to the side of the shoe. There go your reflective swoosh there. Along with your 94, of course, Supreme 1994. That's a staple, so I like that. Let's get to the back of the shoe. You got like that metallic silver Nike logo there, like the chrome Jordan 4s. I like that, man. And I just want to really see these in the dark to see if they pop a little more. Got your big fat Supreme tongue. It looks like a pillow for real this time because it's all white. Then you get your Nike SB logo there, also on that metallic silver. I feel like it should have said Supreme on there, but it don't. The back of the tongue has no branding, just your original tags. And it comes in your big fat SB dunk laces, white. These should have been chrome, guys. I think it would have popped a little more if these was chrome or metallic silver. But this is shining, guys. That got a shine to it. The bottom is all gray, like gray fog. I like it, man. I wish it was more of this on the top of the sneaker, man, instead of all white. And look, I talked too soon. The inside, you do get some gray laces. Now, these are the laces you rock. I wish there was a little more silver than gray, but this is a better match than the white laces. Inside of the shoe is where you get your red Supreme logo, which I wish was on the front again, but getting that in the inside is also dope too, along with a Nike SB logo. Inside the box, you get a Nike SB Supreme tag. They didn't put it on the sneaker itself, which I like, because you know with Supreme, you like to collect stuff, and actually, I wasn't going to wear the sneaker with it on, but it's super dope, super lightweight. This comes inside the box and not on the sneaker. Here's the left shoe, guys. Same insoles, the Supreme insoles. Same reflective, same Supreme on in and out, and the same 94. So they didn't change nothing. Even the tag still just says Nike SB and not Supreme there. So they didn't change nothing from right to left. Everything adds up. But this reflective swoosh is super dope, guys. Yes, sir, man. It's crazy how life works, man, because the week before these dropped and the Playboy Cardi tee came out, it came out in so many colors, man. I didn't know which one to get, so I said, you know what? I got too much black, I got too much pink, I got too much red. Let's just go with the gray one. And then a week later, I copped the SBs in the colorway, then I copped the shirt, giving me a perfect match, giving me an outfit off the back. So that's cool. But these sneakers cost $135 from the Supreme website. Shipped to me, I think it was like $154 or $140 something, man. If you go on GOAT and StockX right now, they're about $170 to $190 depending on size. But if you look at the other colors, they're in the mid 250s to 300, which is understandable because like those came out in other countries. They didn't come out on the Supreme website, so I get that. For me, the purple and gray ones are by far my favorite. I'll see if I want to dig in my pockets and grab those. Second would be the blue. Third would be the black. And then these will come in last place, but that don't mean these are not dope. The leather's crazy, the reflectiveness. I think it's an issue with leather and suede when it comes to SB. You always want that suede one, but this is super dope, man. I like the leather in this. I like the silver aspects. I really do, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.